Welcome to Rocky Mountains. Change is in the air. Springtime is right around the corner. Pretty soon we're going to be joined by some new visitors. They spent their winter down in Central and South America enjoying some of that warm weather, but they're on their way back. The cool thing is we can make some pretty interesting observations about our weather and climate based on these visitors that are coming. As the days get longer, as they get warmer, birds will start joining us here at Rocky Mountains. Birds are the world's best meteorologists, scientists that study the weather. They have to make careful observations about the weather in order to know when it's time to come back in the springtime. How do birds know that it's time to come back in the springtime? Through thousands of years of weather observations. That information is now in their DNA. That's a pretty good climate data set. Migrating birds use photoperiod, or the amount of daylight, to know when it's time to come back north. As the days get longer, as they get warmer, birds will get restless and have a need to start flying north. People have been observing birds for thousands of years and have learned a lot about climate and weather through birds. On our walk today, we found a pretty interesting bird ourselves. Take these next 15 seconds to make as many observations about this bird as you can. What do you notice about this bird? What are its main colors? Does it have a unique shape? Does it have a long or short bill? What is the bird doing? You had a short window of time to take a look at the bird. But look at these three options and try to figure out which one it is. If you guessed a scrub jay, then you got it right. Next, I'm going to take my phone and use the app eBird to tell our community about this interesting find. eBird is a citizen science project which anyone, anywhere around the world, can submit their bird sightings online. The massive database housing these results is proving valuable to scientists like us conducting research on a variety of topics including adaptation of bird species to changes in climate and other aspects of the environment. During this time of social distancing, we can still take part of our greater scientific community. Imagine how many people it would take to create an image like this. If each of these dots is a sighting, there are thousands of people contributing their observations to make it possible. Today, we took a small part in creating a map like this. We are just one of those small little dots, and it takes a community to tell the whole story. Birds are important because they keep our systems in balance. They pollinate plants, disperse seeds, scavenge carcasses, and recycle nutrients back into the earth. They are powerful indicators of ecosystem health. Now I want to know what you're finding in your backyard. So, I challenge you to do one of three things. Either 1, contribute your own findings to eBird. 2, draw a picture of the interesting birds you're finding in your backyard. And 3, tell us about it in the comments of this video.